I'm ready.
This is a song by her called White Bird.
I'm gonna sing this song. You wanna try for this?
White bird in a golden cage on a winter's day in the rain. White bird in a golden cage all alone. The leaves blow across the long black road to the darkened sky in its rain. But the white bird just sits in her cage alone. White bird must fly, or she will die. Dreams of the aspen tree with a dying leaf turning gold. But the white bird just sits in her cage growing old. White bird must fly, or she will die. White bird must fly, or she will die. The sunsets come, the sunsets go, the clouds roll by, and the earth is slow, and a young bird dies to always go. She must fly. She must fly. She must fly. Golden cage on a winter's day.